Say crisscross applesauce bodies. Sailor, put your mask on in front of your head. Yeah, we're all in our second dots, friends. Grayson, where's your mask? All right, on your down, please. All right, we are not doing our songs today because I think we are all catching on to our songs. So, raise your hand if you know what month it is. Kaden, what month is it?
Monday.
That's the day. What month is it? Remember our months? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year.
Miss Kason, I know it.
We're not blurting out. What month is it? What month is Halloween?
October.
October. I gave him an Engelbach for raising his hand and not blurting out. It's October. He got that right. Now, what day is it, Regan?
Saturday.
No.
Monday.
Listen. Yesterday was Monday, so today is
Saturday.
Wait, what's today?
Sunday.
Let's sing our days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. So what day is today, Olivia?
February.
No, that's the month. Okay, guys, listen. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday. No, listen. You're not listening. You're just blurting out things. Please listen, okay? Turn on your listening ears. Click. Eyes on Miss Kason and the board. One more time. Just watch. Don't say anything. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now we know it's not Sunday because that's a home day. Yesterday was Monday. What day comes next? Tuesday. Thank you. Please don't just yell out an answer. I'm okay if you don't know an answer. I will help you figure it out. But Miss Kason does not like when her friends just yell out an answer to yell out an answer. Boys, please don't just yell out an answer to yell out an answer. I'd rather help you. If you don't know, then you yell it wrong one and confuse your friends. Now let's see how many days we've been in October. Are you ready? 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Let's see if you got it right. I hit it with pumpkin.
20.
You got it right. Now, trick question. Raise your hand if you know what year it is.
Monday.
Raise your hand if you know what year it is. Let's see who has a bubble in their hand raised and a mask on. Okay, from now on, every time we blurt out, it's going to be a laugh off our recess. I'm excited that you know the answer, but you have to raise your hand and not blurt out. Dakota, what year is it?
October.
No, it's 2020. Let's sing our song. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. October 28th. October 28th. 2020. 2020. That's the date. That's the date. Olivia, do you have a question or a comment?
I can't get my mask.
Okay, that's fine. All right. Turn your body to Miss Kason. You just went to the bathroom. You do not need to go again. We are going to do our days in school. Yesterday was 35. So if I add 1 straw to my ones place, raise your hand if you know how many days we've been in school. Macy? 36. That means that we have how many bundles of 10? 3. So we have 10, 20, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay. Now, when do we bundle? Who's going to whisper to Miss Kason when we bundle? We're going to do a counting to 100 song. Stand up, please. climbing the mountain one.
I love climbing mountains. I was climbing
All right, we'll give it about 10 seconds. If it doesn't work, we'll do a different one. Count quietly backwards with me. Oh, good work. All right, I'm going to hear everyone watching the first one and counting the rest.
I'm gonna climb that mountain to the top. Feel my brain and body never gonna stop. Now climb with me, my friends, and count 100 by 10.
Here we go.
20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
100. Now climb that mountain a little faster. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 100. I'm gonna swim in the water, no matter how rough. Feel my brain and body
Never give up. I want to hear you counting when it's time to count.
be my friends, and count to 100 by 10.
10,
20,
40,
40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. It's okay.
a little faster.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, crisscross applesauce.
I'm gonna run in the race, no matter.
Crisscross applesauce.
That was just tiny bit counting.
that was not tiny big. Eyes on Miss Keaton.
I can't see Bryson. Yeah, that was just tiny bit counting.
I'm waiting.
What?
Quickly.
That was not really big. Those were big.
I think some of my friends don't want to go to recess. I know. That's not worrying about you. You can take ownership of you. When we are not doing our job and we're talking and we're playing, we're wasting our learning time. And if we waste our learning time, we still have to get it done. But the problem is, if we're not going to do it now, we're going to have to do it at recess. So those of you that are playing and you're talking to your neighbor and you're not saying crisscross applesauce, when we have to do it quickly during math, when we have to do math during recess, I want you to remember that's why. Elliot, find your bubble. I've had to stop quite a bit today to ask my friends to please find their bubbles, and that makes me sad because there's like 5 people gone. So there's not very many friends, so it should be super quiet here. And it should be super easy for you to focus. Oh, it's not. We're having a hard time doing that today. Put your hand down, please. Okay, so today we're practicing more number stories like we did yesterday, but we're learning a different way to do them. Okay, so now these are tricky, so you have to have your listening ears on. See, like, you back just a little bit, honey. Step on my thing. Maya has 2 rocks, so let's pull up 2 rocks. 1, 2. Diego gave her some rocks, but we don't know how many. He gave her some. Then she had 3 rocks. How many did Diego give her? Raise your hand if you know. Olivia, what do you think?
1.
How did you know he only gave her 1?
And I counted 2 and 1 more makes 3.
So she knows that she had to get to 3, so she went 2, 3, and she knew she added 1. Does anyone else have a different way they figured out the answer? Aiden, how did you figure out the answer?
Because I was doing it in my brain.
You did it in your brain.
Cause I've been counting in my brain.
Counting had it in your brain. Okay, I'm going to show you something. So, if you read this and said, Maya has 2 rocks, Diego gave her some rocks, then she had 3 rocks. You could put 3 rocks up and take away 2, and you're left with how many Diego gave her. Okay, now let's try it again.
She was like,
Okay, so Maya had 3 rocks. So 1, 2, 3. She gave some to Eli. Then she had 2 rocks. How many rocks did Maya give to Eli? Cameron, what do you think?
1.
How do you know 1?
Because she gave him
Sailor,
1.
open your lap, please. How do you know 1 though?
Well,
You're right, but how did you figure that out?
I counted in my brain.
You counted in your brain. Does anyone else want to explain it? Tiger?
She gave
Grayson.
1 away and
How did you know she gave 1 away though? You're right, but how did you know?
I counted my fingers.
You counted your fingers, so you had 3 rocks, and did you count down 2? Because she said she had 2 rocks left, so that leaves us with how many rocks did she give away?
1.
Taylor, can you sit on 9? Because I need to stand right here. Thank you. All right, here we go. Maya had some rocks. She got 1 rock from Lisa, then she had 3. So we want to know how many she starts with. Lisa gave her 1 rock, and she had 3. So Miss Kaysen, I like to work backwards. When they don't tell us one of the parts, I like to know how many rocks did she have at the end? 3. So I draw 3 lines. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. How many rocks did she get from Lisa?
1.
1. So how many rocks did she have to start with? 2. Let's see if we got it right. Okay, so let's see. Maya had 2 rocks. She got 1 more from Lisa, and that made 3. Are we right? 1, 2, 3. Yes, friend.
We are great.
Okay.
We're little geniuses.
Now, same concept. Maya had some crayons, but we don't know how many. We just know some. So I'm going to put a question mark because we don't know. She gave 1 to Eli, which means she's giving 1 away, and she had 2 left. Who can come up and solve this? Kiara, if you want to use the rocks, you have to switch. Tell Miss Kaysen so I can switch it to select, or do you want to write it? Or I guess it's using crowns, not rocks. She had some crowns. She gave 1 to Eli, and now she has 2. How many did she have to start?
2.
So 1 minus 1 is 2. So if Miss Kaysen had 1 cookie and she ate 1 cookie, she has 2 cookies.
No.
I have 1 cookie. I ate cookie. How many cookies do I have? 0. So it can't be 1. Do you want to help? You want to phone a friend? Sailor, put it on. Do you want to phone a friend? Okay, then what's the answer? Right, I'm gonna have Brayson to help you. Brayson, try it. Said Maya had some crowns. She gave 1 to Eli, and now she has 2 left. How many crowns did Maya have? So 2 minus 1 is 2. I have 2 cookies. I ate 1. I have 1 cookie left. Okay, sit down. All right, eyes up here. We're gonna work backwards again, okay? Because I think we're getting confused. These are so confusing. When they don't tell us one of the parts, so this is what we call a, sit down please, part unknown. We've been working where the answer is unknown, and now we have to switch our brain, and our brain's got to go flip-flop and switch to part unknown. Fix your body, please.
What is...
Okay, so you ready? Remember how Miss Kaysen solved it? Brace and eyes up here because you just didn't know how to do it, friend. I start with 2. Okay? Because I have 2 left. So here's 1 crayon, 2 crayons. Okay? I have 2 crayons left. And I know she gave away how many crayons?
1.
So I have to draw 1 more crayon. How many crayons?
3.
3. So let's see if we're right. If we have 3 crayons and we take away 1, how many's left? 2. You see? I told you. 2. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Maya, I'm going to ask someone to come up and do this one, but I see we have lots and lots of wiggles, so let's do a brain first. Stand up, please. Miss Kaysen's going to take it because I want one that moves lots of wiggles. I know, but Miss Kaysen's going to do this one.
That party has a lot of wiggles.
Does it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone is doing this one because all my friends have lots of wiggles. So Kaysen, stand up, do it with us.
Kaden, yeah.
Go Noodle is temporarily unavailable. Well, that's not going to work for us, is it? Alright, everyone stand up. Kayden, stand up. Everyone stand up on your dot because we have, whoa, so many wiggles.
I don't have none.
No, you all have wiggles.
I have none.
No, you all have lots of wiggles. Alright, here we go.
Shake your sillies out.
On your own dot, we're going to shake our sillies out.
Country song and dance by the radio station.
Shake, shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake, shake our
Better
sillies
put your
out.
shoes on.
Shake, shake our sillies out. Shake all the wiggles away. We're gonna clap, clap, clap our crazies out. Clap, clap, clap our crazies out. Clap, clap, clap our crazies out. Wiggle our waggles away. Jump, jump our wiggles out. Jump, jump, jump our wiggles out. Jump, jump, jump our wiggles out. Wiggle our waggles away. Jog, jog our jitters out. Jog, jog, jog our jitters out. Jog, jog, jog our jiggers out. Hurry, we're all doing it. Stretch, stretch our stretches out. Stretch, stretch, stretch our stretches out. Stretch, stretch, stretch our stretches out. Wiggle our waggles away. Yawn, yawn our yawnies out. Yawn, yawn, yawn our yawnies out. Shake, shake our sillies out. Shake, shake. Reagan, you're not. Kaden, shake our sillies out. Shake all our wiggles away. Clap, clap, clap our crazies out. Clap, clap, clap our crazies out. Wiggle our waggles away. Jump, jump our jiggles out. Jump, jump, jump our jiggles out. Jump, jump, jump our jiggles out. Wiggle our waggles away. Jump, jump our jiggles out. Jump, jump, jump our jiggles out. What? We're gonna stretch, stretch, stretch our sillies out. Stretch, stretch, stretch our sillies out. Stretch, stretch our sillies out. Wiggle our waggles away. Yawn, yawn, yawn our yawns out. Yawn, yawn, yawn our yawns out. Yawn, yawn our yawnies out.
I
Wiggle
just
our
did
waggles
a
away.
real yawn.
I know, it's hard to say yawn without actually yawning. Crisscross applesauce, I think we're ready.
Whoa!
The finish strong. I think we can do it. Do you think we can do it? Okay, crisscross applesauce. Thumbs up if you're ready for math.
I still got wiggles.
We can do it. I'm waiting for crisscross applesauce buddies. I love Miss Keaton.
Okay, ready.
Megan. Kyra's beautiful eyes, Ellie's beautiful eyes, Kiara's beautiful eyes, Sailor's, Olivia's. All right, Maya had 5 crayons. 3 were red and the rest were blue. How many were, 3 were red and the rest were blue. How many were red? Are you ready? So, how many crayons did Maya have? 5. So I'm going to draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 were red. So let's do 3. 1, 2, 3. How many were blue? 2. Okay, so how many crayons did she have that were red? 3. See, we're getting it. We're getting it. I don't really want to do. Okay, we are going to practice some numbers. I want you to quickly and quietly go grab your iPad. Quickly and quietly. Go get yours. Quickly and quietly. You don't need headphones. Oh, Brayson, try that again. That was not very safe. Close it out. I don't know what that is.
If I get out, look, if I get back in.
Okay. 12:05. Everyone on your dots. Sailor on your dot. On that dot. I see. Okay. All right. Put it away, friend. Okay. Are you ready? We are going to be working on seesaw. Hang on. Not yet. Not yet. I want you to make sure all of your apps are closed out.
already closed. Mine too. Me too. Let me check mine. What is the number on this? Mine too.
Okay. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the board. So once you close out all of your apps, please close your iPad itself.
Mine already closed.
Perfect. Reagan, are you closed out of your iPad?
How? Reagan, you're not on your dot. I'm on my dot, but I can't see over here.
Okay, are you ready? So Miss Kaysen's showing you what we're doing. Who can come up and raise their hand and show Miss Kaysen where seesaw is?
Seesaw.
Who's doing a nice job? Tiger, come show Miss Kaysen seesaw.
I never got it.
Reagan, I've asked you twice. Close it, please. See it up there? It's in the top. Don't see it? It's right here. Point it. All right, so you'll go to seesaw. Okay. Then we will click on, don't do anything yet, light bulb. It is this shape sort. So I will click the green plus.
Or sorted.
Mm-hmm.
Yay.
Okay. So I click the green plus. And you're sorting the shapes. Don't open it yet, Dakota. Reagan, Brayson, boys, turn on the screen. You are going to sort the shapes, and the tricky thing is, they are not just simple shapes. You have to actually look. So this piece of pizza, is it a circle?
No.
Is it a square?
No.
Is it a triangle?
Yes.
What about this TV? Is it a rectangle?
No.
Is it a triangle?
No.
Is it a square?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think you can do it? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to ask you, do you think you can do it? Yes. Side thumb. I'm a little nervous. Thumb down. I don't know what I'm doing. You know what you're doing. Okay, you have a thumb down. Come by Miss Case, and otherwise you may get started and you can work right here on the carpet. If you have a side thumb, I'm going to try it first and then come to Miss Case.
Awesome.